How do I protect my earbud charging case from getting lost in the future?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing some handy tips and tricks on how to protect your earbud charging case from getting lost in the future. Loss of earbud cases can be frustrating, but with these strategies, you can significantly reduce the risk.
Why do we lose earbud charging cases?
To prevent the loss of an item, it's crucial to understand why we tend to lose them in the first place. In the case of earbud charging cases, their small size and the frequency of use make them easy to misplace. A key part of avoiding loss is being aware of these risk factors and actively working to mitigate them.
What are some preventive measures?
Let's discuss some preventive measures you can take to avoid losing your earbud charging case. 1. Designate a specific spot. Always keeping your charging case in a designated spot when not in use can greatly reduce the chance of losing it. This could be a specific pocket in your bag or a particular drawer in your home. 2. Use a protective case with a keychain or lanyard. A protective case with a keychain or lanyard attached can be hooked onto your bag, wallet, or belt loop. This makes the case harder to lose and easier to find. 3. Color it bright. Consider using a brightly colored case or adding a bright sticker or other identifier to it. The bright color makes it stand out and easier to spot if it's misplaced. 4. Use a tracking device. There are small tracking devices available in the market that can be attached to the charging case. These devices connect to your phone and can help you locate the case if it's misplaced.
What to do if you've already lost your charging case?
In the event that you've already lost your charging case, don't panic. First, retrace your steps and look thoroughly in the places you last remember using it. If that doesn't work, you may be able to purchase a replacement case. Remember to take preventive measures with the new case to avoid losing it again. That's all for today's video on how to protect your earbud charging case from getting lost in the future. We hope these strategies help you keep track of your case more effectively. Remember, it all comes down to being mindful about where you keep your belongings. Happy listening, and see you in the next video.